Welcome to the best picks. The best odor eliminator is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a fresh and inviting home, especially when dealing with stubborn smells that linger in fabrics, from workout gear to pet bedding. This powerful solution goes beyond masking odors, actively neutralizing the odor-causing molecules at their source, ensuring that your laundry emerges not just clean, but truly revitalized and free from any unpleasant scents that can detract from your living space. We'll dive deep into why this product stands out and how it can transform your laundry routine, making every wash a step towards a fresher environment. Number 5. Zero Odor Multi-Purpose Odor Eliminator. Are you struggling with persistent smells in your home? Don't let odors ruin your day. Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to tackle even the toughest odors. It's time to make your home smell fresh again. Our patented technology works at a molecular level to eliminate odors, not just mask them. Experience true freshness. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, fabrics, and closets, it tackles odors wherever they hide. Enjoy a consistently pleasant environment. With over 1,000 sprays in every 8-ounce bottle, you get long-lasting odor elimination. Enjoy a great-smelling home for longer. Reclaim your space and enjoy a fresh, clean scent. It's time to make your home smell great again. What we like. This multi-purpose spray uses patented technology to eliminate odors from air and surfaces. It's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, fabrics, and closets. If you're looking for a versatile solution for various odor issues around your home, this is a great choice. What people say. This stuff works miracles. After treating the apartment, that same neighbor did a sniff test and confirmed the odor was totally gone. Now, we spray it immediately after our relative goes to the bathroom, and the room is clear within a minute. It immediately smelled better. The next day I still smelled a slightly burnt odor in the kitchen, so sprayed the cabinet doors and counter and walls, tile and wallpaper, where the disaster occurred. The cabinets are wooden and it didn't harm them or the washable wallpaper. I no longer smell the smoke. Extremely effective at eliminating odors without an overpowering smell. Leaves behind a fresh clean scent. Number 4. OdoBan Disinfectant Concentrate, Fresh Linen Scent. Introducing a powerful disinfectant that tackles tough messes. It effectively eliminates germs and bacteria, ensuring a cleaner environment. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. This concentrate not only disinfects but also neutralizes odors at their source, leaving behind a fresh scent. Enjoy the refreshing aroma of fresh linen. It brings a pleasant and clean fragrance to any room it's used in. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. It provides excellent value and long-lasting use for all your cleaning needs. Perfect for various surfaces and spaces in your home or office. Use it to disinfect and deodorize effectively wherever needed. This generous 1-gallon size ensures you have plenty on hand. It's ideal for frequent use and larger cleaning tasks. What we like. This product acts as both a disinfectant and an odor eliminator, offering a large capacity for extended use. Its fresh linen scent leaves a pleasant aroma. If you need a powerful cleaner that also tackles odors and want a cost-effective, large-volume option, this is ideal. What people say. This stuff is amazing and skunked everything. Our clothes are fresh, our dog's bedding smells so good, and overall, our house feels clean again. This works so well, I use it in every wash. I don't dilute it at all, I just pour some in the fabric softener compartment in the washer. It's really helped get that old towel smell out. This excellent disinfectant leaves your laundry with a clean, fresh scent that lasts. Number 3. Activewear Laundry Detergent and Soak. Do your workout clothes still smell after washing? It's time to upgrade your laundry routine. This is a powerful laundry detergent specifically designed for your activewear. It tackles tough odors and stains effectively. Our natural concentrate formula uses enzyme boosters to deodorize and clean. It's tough on sweat but gentle on fabrics. This powder wash is perfect for all your gym apparel. It ensures your activewear stays fresh and clean, load after load. With 90 loads in every container, you'll have plenty of detergent to keep your activewear in top condition. Experience the difference today. What we like. Specifically designed for activewear, this natural concentrate uses enzyme boosters to combat sweat and workout odors. It comes in a convenient powder form. If you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast with a lot of gym clothes, this is the perfect detergent to keep your activewear fresh. What people say. Clothes can get a dingy, musty smell after a while, and this takes it right out. Along with getting stains out and clothes brighter, in my opinion. Mainly use it to get the smell out of clothes though. Works like a charm every time. I also only wash my laundry in cold water and it still works. It comes with a scoop and is very simple to use. It takes the smell right out of musty clothes. Those sweaty athletic clothing sitting for a day or so in the basket also come out with a clean scent. The clothes do get clean from using this soap. Provides a fresh, clean wash and smell without perfumes. Only small amounts needed per load that allows for an economical, long-lasting purchase. Number 2. Enzyme Laundry Booster Odor Remover, 2 pounds. Tired of stubborn stains and lingering odors? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle even the toughest messes in your laundry. Enjoy a fresh clean without any added fragrances. This unscented powder uses natural, bioactive enzymes to break down odors and stains effectively. From sweat and oil to blood, this additive works wonders. It penetrates deep into fabrics to eliminate discoloration and unpleasant smells. Simply add it to your regular detergent for an enhanced cleaning experience. It acts as a powerful booster, ensuring your clothes come out cleaner and fresher. With 64 loads in every container, you get exceptional value. Keep your laundry looking and smelling its best for longer. Our enzymatic cleaner is tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. Experience a superior clean that preserves the quality of your clothes. What we like. What people say. This product is a game changer for pet owners, effectively eliminating tough odors from pet accidents. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering like some other odor eliminators. It works wonders on workout clothes, removing sweat and musty smells after just one wash. Number 1. FunkAway Laundry Detergent Booster. Are you struggling with persistent odors trapped in your fabrics? FunkAway is here to help eliminate those tough smells. This powerful booster is designed to tackle extreme, trapped-in odors. It works effectively on a variety of items. From sweaty activewear and sports uniforms to pet bedding and towels, it handles it all. It even works on bed linens. Not only does it eliminate odors, but it also helps remove tough stains. Get your fabrics looking and smelling fresh again. Simply add it to your regular laundry routine for an extra level of clean. Experience the difference it makes. This convenient 32 ounces bottle ensures you have enough to tackle multiple loads. Enjoy long-lasting freshness. What we like. This laundry booster is formulated to tackle extreme, trapped-in odors and stains, making it effective on activewear, sports uniforms, and pet bedding. It enhances your regular detergent's performance. If you're dealing with persistent, strong odors that regular detergents can't handle, this booster is your go-to solution. What people say. This stuff works, and it's been a necessity in my house ever since. It truly takes any smell away, especially that awful moldy mildew odor that happens when laundry gets forgotten in a front loader. One wash and the smell is completely gone, no lingering odors at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.